Hello everyone, today we are doing installation of Turbo C++ of MS-DOS. So don't wait, let's start installation of Turbo C++. We search in our Chrome browser Turbo C++ and first link will appear for the Windows 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Just click on it and this will appear. And you just click on download Turbo C++. This will start downloading and after that we will get Turbo C++ zip file. We will go to libraries where we will go on downloads option and we will see Turbo C 0.3.2 and from where we will get zip file and we will extract it. After clicking on extract all, we will just click on extract and we will get extracted file that will appear like this. And after clicking on it, we will just click on it and we will click on Turbo C++ 3.2 option. Like this will appear like that. So just click on it and this is prepare for the installation. Click on the next. After that click on next and you will click on the install and this will be finished. Like you can see, click on finish button. This will appear as like this on your desktop icon. Thank you. You are now Turbo C++ is installed like this.